Son over the wall. Son!
Too many danger men from set-piece opportunities.
Run, Ordaz. Son! Right at the keeper. Slide it through. Makes its way out to Delgado. Now Son. Son sets it up. Son! Right at the keeper.
With a big paw away. Son, touch, shot! Just wide. Get along Tillman. Opening up here for Son Heung-min. Dancing forward. Son! Just wide.
Oster just losing his concentration. It's really disappointing. And then you get the opportunity for
to sneak in the back door. Here's the cross. Here's Son Heung-min. Big save. And Ordaz towards the corner. He's going to try and get Son his moment. Son Heung-min racing in. Son Heung-min squares the ball. Schwanier!